it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space I have a sort of different kind of video for you guys. It is going to be a kind of friend mail unboxing slash a birthday gift swap with my sister from another Mr. Mandy over at Laugh Love Shop. Now Mandy and I met each other through YouTube almost 2 years ago, I think it has been, and from the get-go we knew that we had to be related. We have such a love of shoes and makeup and life in general, our love of YouTube, and her bubbly personality and my wild wackiness just go together. So we know we were separated at birth somewhere and we are family. And we realized last year we knew we were both March babies, and so my birthday was March 9th and hers is coming up on the 27th. So we decided to do it this month and swap packages and see what we got. I know she already received mine and she already opened it, but with my crazy work hours, if you're new to my channel, I work midnights. I'm a nurse in the hospital and crazy work hours. So I am just doing mine today, and then we're going to post them on the same day. So here's my box that she sent me in the mail, and I'm so excited to open it. Thank you so much, Mandy. I have my handy dandy box cutter here that I can never get open, so let's see. Okay, literally Chad had to come and get this box open. Good job taping it, Mandy. So she told me to read the card first before anything, but I think the side I opened doesn't have the card yet, so I'm pulling things out. I'm gonna get to see things before I get to the card. Of course the card's the last thing that I get out of the box. So let's see what this says, and then I'll see if I can share it with you guys, or at least paraphrase it. So I'm going to paraphrase it because I do believe that she's fine with me sharing it. It says Dear Lacey at the top of it. It's just really pretty handwriting. She explained what was in the box. She calls it her spa night box. Spa night in a box, actually. And I will show you each item that she sent me. It is so cool, and I didn't even theme the box that I sent her. I will link her channel down below at the end of this so you guys can go over and check and see what I sent her. But one of the items she sent me, I'm so excited about. I'm excited about everything, but I see it. It's sitting right here, and I can't believe she sent it to me. So she said that she sent me a sheet mask, which is this one. It is watermelon, which I love watermelon scented stuff, and I love watermelon in general. So I know every single Thursday for the longest, Thursday night, she would do a bath and use a mask. And so she sent me a mask. I have a couple of these. I don't do them that often, but I'm definitely going to do this one. And then she said she sent bath bomb. So I can tell right now, here are the bath bombs. She put them in something, so I'm just taking them out really quick here. I got a couple bath bombs and they are pink. I don't know what scent they are, but she sent both of these to me. And then next she said she sent a candle, and I am unwrapping that candle right. Whoa! My bath bombs are trying to escape since they're around there rolling around. She sent a candle to me in here too. This is spa night in a box, and a wine glass that is safe for the tub. And this is a really cool, this wine glass that's safe for a cup. It's got two little wine glasses on it, and it's like silicone kind of. That's pretty cool. I've never seen one of these. And so, you know, it's a stemless wine glass, so it just sits. It has a flat bottom on it. I really like that. And inside that wine glass is a little thing of nail polish. It's a red nail polish. I need to do my toes too, so I'm going to put this on my toes because if you notice, I don't really do red on my nails. I don't know. I don't think my skin looks good with red on my nails. I might have to do it one day. Maybe I will try this there so I can let you guys tell me, do you think red looks good on my nails for my skin tone? And then she sent me these cozy socks, and they got the little stickies on the bottom. Look at these. They are fur covered, and I love these. Are they fur all the way down? Oh yeah, they are so soft. They're fur all the way down. They have this really cool print on them. She said that I can put these on after I get out of the tub. I love this. This is perfect. My feet are always cold. If you guys don't know, we're in Michigan. It's winter here all the time. It's ridiculous. And then she sent me this. It's the item I was like, oh my gosh, I can't believe she sent me this. And I do believe, I know this is a DIY that she did too. She sent me this beautiful clutch purse. She made this in a DIY on her channel, I am sure of. And I was like, oh, I love that. I want one. I need to have that in my life. And she sent it to me. I am in love with this. I cannot believe that I got an original Mandy purse, basically. It is so cute. I love the little pom-poms. I got a little squish. I'm going to fluff them up in the box. Oh, I'm definitely going to be carrying this spring. Then also on here, she was like, this is for you to survive fall, spring, or is it third winter? Because she lives in Pennsylvania, and I was talking to her not too long ago on the phone, and we basically were texting that pictures and stuff, because I was like, it is 32 degrees here still. Like, it snowed again. And then she sent me a picture of her kids, and they're building a snowman. It's like, you never know what you're going to get in winter, so it's so funny that she's like, fall, spring, or third winter. So I am so happy with all the things that she sent me. This is kind of my, you know, birthday present from her, even though we didn't intend them to be birthday presents. I am definitely going to be taking a bath and doing my mask and lighting a candle and having me something to drink. Not wine. I don't drink wine. Wine gives me a headache unless somebody knows a really good wine that normally gave them a headache that doesn't anymore. All wines seem to give me a headache. So let me know about down below if you have a wine that I could put in here. If not, believe me, I have enough alcohol to do some mixed drinks and enjoy me some spirits. So thank you so much, Mandy, my sister from another mister. I don't know. I think we were separated at birth, like I said before. We might even be twins, even though we were born on different days. I don't know how that's going to work, but fraternal twins, at least, maybe those could have been born at different times. I've seen it happen in the past. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching, for liking, and sharing all of my videos. Tell me if you like this kind of videos. I used to love to watch swap videos. I am going to definitely link Mandy's channel, which is Laugh Love Shop, down below. You have got to go over and check her out. She is so much fun and bubbly. She does a lot of different kind of videos on her channel. She calls herself Your Girlfriend Next Door. So she talks about what she wants to talk about. And it's some fashion. You have some beauty. You have a few DIYs and stuff, lifestyle stuff. And my nieces and my nephew that she has 2 girls and a little boy over there on our channel are so cute, and every once in a while they make a little appearance too. So make sure you go down in the description and you check her channel out. Go over, tell her I said hi, and you get to see what I put in her box for her. Hint, it's a couple of things that she sent me too, at least one, well no, 2 that she sent me, and then something else. And if you know me, if you've been on my channel for a while, you'll probably guess what it is. Also, you guys, if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Become a member here. We have a lot of fun. Hang out with us for a while. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it's spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves.